Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to quick data analyze in Python using Mito library. This library introduced couple of days ago one of the researcher. So what exactly features ongoing on that particular library and how to install in your operating system as a framework. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here Mito Python and then enter. The first link is display here. Explore your data 10 times faster. Create Python private tables with the ease of Excel and let Mito generate the Python code for you without leaving Jupyter notebook. So it's quite amazing. You just simply click here. I'm putting this link in same video description and explore your data same as it is using Python programming language. What exactly features ongoing that particular library, Excel like private tables in Python, analyze your data quickly, track, communicate your analyzing all your favorite data analyzing tool inside Mito. So like which types of analyzing tool you like, explore graphical related, tables related, data frame mapping, separate sheet formula, data exploration and column filtering, such kind of private data you are doing. See much more available here, and some other YouTubers also make this video like a data professor. You can watch this video, understand properly what exactly going on. So now question come, how to install this particular library. So you just simply click here in the doc file and some basic documentations are available here. You can see all documentation, what exactly features ongoing, installation instruction, tutorials, and they are providing you much more information. Create Mito sheet, import your data in Mito, separate sheet formula, mapping data sets together, private table, type changes, and so many informations are available here. And some basic videos also available. If you are not understand of my video, so you can watch such kind of data or read such kind of data. So we install first of all. So I just simply click here installing Mito, and some basic. Before installing Mito, you need to like a Python 3.6 above version mandatory, which you can check like in copy this one, open your terminal and then check here which version you are using. So I'm using like a 3.8.8. so I am easily install this version and access very easily. So first step, like open your terminal prompt and download this Mito software. I install this one in my private environment. So I enter here in my environment name and this just like a simply copy here. In the copy options also available here, otherwise you can select like this. I copy this one and then paste it here and then enter. So this library or automatically installation start going on in this particular environment of mine. And then after I'm using like a table related, data framing or text data related, so such kind of this Mito library are helping me. Few moment you can copy this one also, Mito installer, paste here again, wait couple of seconds for the finish the installation. The software installation is done. Now launch Jupyter Lab with this using this command. So I just simply copy this command and paste here, and then my Jupyter Lab is activated here. It's quite amazing, and now I can use of my work like a data framing, text related data or number related data, and then enjoy all features of Mito. It's quite amazing framework. You can install this library in your operating system and enjoy very easily for the creating Mito sheet, import data, data formulation, mapping data set, private tables, and some types of changes. It's quite amazing. You can use this one and provide us comment which types of features you like on that particular library. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.